this video we are going to do an unboxing and review of an AirPod with a twist. As you guys can see, in the picture it looks like an AirPod, but in the middle of this you can see that they have also given a display to it. So recently I was going through a local shop near me, and there I somehow saw this product and I got quite excited. Like see, it looks like an AirPod. Okay, we have seen many knockoff or AirPods, but it is something different. Here you can see that there is a display they have given. So I was quite amazed and I wanted to check out how it functions, how it works and how it looks. So I thought I'll buy it off. I'll share with you guys. So now without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. See here, you can see that it's a sealed one, so I'm going to unbox with you guys only. Even I don't have any idea what is there to expect from inside. So without wasting any more time, we'll take a look of the box. So in the front you can see there is a picture of the product they have given. Here they have written ANC, ENC, or active noise cancellation, and environmental noise cancellation they have written. So we'll see how much true it is. In the back side you can see it just looks like an Apple product, so Apple AirPods it looks. So yeah, and something written in Chinese, I guess, bottom. So this is the sides, this is the up, low, nothing is there. So now we'll unbox the product and see. So now we'll see it comes out like an Apple product or not. Yeah, it came but it got stuck. I think we only have to remove it. Oh, okay. So okay, it looks like it has been already opened. Yeah, there's a screen card I think they have given. Yeah, so the scratches doesn't matter. While we remove it, I think it should be fine. I think it's already turned on. It's kept. Okay. Oh, actually I'm quite amazed that the display actually works. Okay. So I'll keep this aside for a while and we'll check out what else is there in the box. So in the box you can see they have given a cable for the charging. I think it's a charging cable. Let me open and see. Yeah, it's a type C to type C cable they have given. There's nothing to see in that. And they have given some extra earbuds for your ear size. Okay, other than that they have given a tag. I think the tag can get connected here, I guess. Okay, so this is the tag, and they have given a guide or instruction manual for this. Okay, we'll keep everything aside and we'll take a look at the product. So now I have charged the product. So now I'll show you guys how cool it is. First thing about it is when we open it, the display automatically turns on. And when we remove one earpod, in the display also, I don't know how good people can see the display. The display is comparatively really good actually. But in the camera, I don't know how good it is coming. See, when I try to remove the another one, the other earphones lifted up from that. So see, I'll try to put it back. See, I'll put it back. In that, the earphone has gone back. When I try to put the other one, you can see that, yeah, the other earbuds also went inside the display. I close it, it's gone. I open it, see. And another thing is, see, the display turns on with a touch. And say, actually I'll just increase the brightness in the display. Yeah, now I guess you people can see. See, yeah. So after touching, you can see there is an unlock button. You can slide to unlock. Okay, and there are so many features in this. See, this is for the play pause. When you are connected to your phone, you can play pause whatever you are listening to. Okay, the next one is volume. You can control in this. Still it's not connected, you can't. Okay, I'll just connect it and show you guys. Just give me a second. I'll open it. it's already connected. For it to keep connected, I have to remove it from this. Okay, I removed it and kept. Now I can close it. For unlocking, it's like this. If I press play on this, it will start playing. Okay, now advertisement is playing on that. So see, I can increase or decrease the volume. When I'm increasing in this, it's increasing in this as well, phone as well. See, you guys can see. Another one, ANC. Actually, I have tried. I don't know how to show to you guys. The ANC is damn good actually. I have used many like this board, noise, this thing and all, but ANC in this device is really good. ANC and ENC, it's really good. You can just toggle it by pressing on this. It will change to ANC. ENC it will change. Okay. Then there is game mode is there. There is music mode. Whichever you want, you people can change into that. Press this. It takes a picture. So that is also a really good feature which I have seen. So, and this is a flashlight mode. I think it's just like, yeah, it makes the screen white. That's it. Find my left and right. I'll just try it. I have never tried. Oh, I don't know if you heard it or not. It's make a small high frequency sound. I'll just show you people. I'll hold it close to the mic. See, I'll start it. I think people can hear. Okay. That is also a really good feature. Like if you kept your earpod somewhere and you forgets, then you can, and you can change the wallpapers also. See, then this is the wallpaper which they have given. This is also quite good. You can see. If you want to change, you can change the wallpaper. I have not tried it. See, okay, now I have changed the wallpaper. Okay, this is one wallpaper. So many are there. Okay, I think the most cooler one is the first one only, the live wallpaper. Yeah, and the touch response is also really good in this product actually, because I never expected the product to be this much good. I thought it will be cheap knockoff, some display thing will be there, but it turned out to be really good and a quality product actually for a knockoff. See, again you can see the hinge is also really good. They have given a metal hinge. It's not like that cheap plastic one. It is a metal hinge which they have given. So, and about the price, and one more thing, there's a button in the back. With this button you can turn off the product. You can just press and hold it. See, they'll ask what you want to do. Power off, power off, goodbye. And for turning it on also you can press and hold the same button. See, so that's it guys. That's it guys about the product. And I got the product for about 1,500 in a local market near me. So you people can find the same thing in the Amazon as well. I guess maybe it will be a bit pricey, because in the local market you can bargain a bit and you can get it for a bit cheap. So I have used the product. There is no way I can make people hear about the sound, but actually the quality of the AirPod is really good for its price. For 1,500, this much feature you are getting, I don't know what you can ask more for that. And it's a really good product. That's it guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any doubts about the product, you can comment it below the video. I'll try to reply it as soon as possible. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.